Okay, we're going to do number 8 together. We're writing an exponential function given the following data tables. So we're going to focus on number 8 real quick. Might be a little more challenging because we have some fractions here. So guys, which two inputs should we focus on? 1 and 2. Alright, so the x's are 1 and 2. Remember, it just has to be consecutive. So, what goes on the top, f of 1 or f of 2? Right, the larger input, the one that's further to the right on the number line, goes on top. The one that's further to the left on the number line goes on the bottom. Remember, they have to be back to back. The formal word is consecutive. Now, f of 2 is the number that goes with the 2. The output is 9/2. Over, we're just following this formula. What's f of 1, guys? 3. Now this is all in order to find the b, alright? It's the number that's being repeatedly multiplied. And remember, the standard form of the equation of an exponential function is f of x equals a times b to the x. Okay? And this a is the initial value. Also, another thing that you need to know about a is that f of 0 is a. You'll notice right here, we're not done with the b yet, but I'm just going to take a little sidetrack here and talk about a for a second. We have no 0 input, so we're going to have to generate that ourselves. We're going to have to find the 0, what goes with 0. We're going to find that f of 0 in a second. For right now, let's continue to work on b. This is division of fractions. We have a complex fraction. So remember, the 3 steps in dividing fractions is to copy, switch, and what's the last one? And flip. Okay, we went over that first semester and we reviewed it yesterday. Copy the first fraction. Go ahead and write 9/2. Switch the division to what, guys? Multiplication. And we're going to flip this last fraction, so that becomes 1/3. Alright, what cancels out? 3 goes in to itself once, and 3 goes into 9 how many times? 3 times. So we're left with 3/2. Alright, so our b is 3/2. As you can see, there's not enough room on this worksheet to really do this. You need to have some scratch paper. So we got the b. Now the a, right here, we actually have to find. Sometimes they put it right there in the table, but this time we don't have a 0 input, so we need to work backwards. To go forwards, we need to multiply by 3/2, but to go backwards, we need to do what? Divide by 3/2. So we got to take this 3 and then work it backwards, so that we need to divide by 3/2 to find out whatever this goes with. The 0 goes with something, f of 0. Alright, so we're going to find that by doing 3, so this is a, divided by 3/2. It's 3/1. Copy, switch, and flip again. You copy the 3/1, switch the division to multiplication, flip the second fraction. What cancels out this time, guys? The 3's cancel out and becoming 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2/1 is plain old 2. Alright, so we have our a and we have our b. A and b. We're going to put it all together into this function right here. It's kind of a mess. That's okay, we'll squeeze it all in. So f of x equals, what's my a, guys? 2 times 3/2 to the x power. Oops, can't forget that. Okay? So there it is. That's how you do it.